This is my incredibly fast black bean lunch. We should all be eating more beans. They're full of fibre, they fill us up, they're great for our gut microbes, and they're great for the environment. So to make this lunch, cook some onions and garlic in olive oil until softened. Then add the whole tin of black beans with the water. Next, add a dash of lemon juice and some harissa paste to spice it up. Then reduce it down on the hob for about 10 minutes until it's thick and creamy. Next, add some herbs like parsley or chives or basil and stir for another 2 minutes. This is a salad I made from orange and purple carrots with a pumpkin seed oil dressing. This is the little pancake I made out of chickpea flour, water, spices, grated courgette and carrots. When you've served it up, generously add some Parmesan cheese and some avocado for healthy fats. This absolutely is the perfect lunch. It will fill you up all afternoon and will stop you wanting to snack. It really is fantastic. Please give it a go.